ceremony. Maraming salamat po, Mayor, for gracing us with your presence this morning. Vice Mayor Chi Atienza. Maraming salamat po for being with us this morning.
So the cutting of the ribbon symbolizes the opening of something new and something exciting, much like the opening of a gift or a package. Our Jollibee, it means opening our doors and looking forward to fulfilling our mission of spreading the joy of eating to everyone. As Jollibee Tayuhan, we will keep in mind to provide total customer satisfaction by serving great tasting food. We will make each one feel special with our branded Aladdin Jollibee service, which is warm and friendly. Our customers will dine in a clean, safe, and comfortable store.
Our distinguished guests, you may now cut the ribbon in 3, 2, 1. If we could request everyone to please kindly take their seats as the excitement is not yet over.
God first! Rejoice!
Para po sa ating mga guests, tayo po muna ay magsubo. Para po sa ating mga guests, you may now take your seats. We will have a photo op later with our Jolly Town friends and also with our special guests. Okay, we will now proceed with our coin ceremony. We would like to invite Mayor Risco and Vice Mayor Chi to join us as we throw some blessings into the store. Also, we would like to call Sir Drover, Ma'am Nika, Sir Emmy, and Sir Iboy to join us in the coin tossing ceremony. because I'm sure we would all love to hear a short greeting from our dear Mayor. Okay, we would like to hear a few words from our dear Mayor, Ms. Camareno.
Okay. Good morning.
Good morning!
Hi! Hello! Ito na yata pinakamasayang inatinan kong Jollibee office. One, salamat sa Diyos. I'm happy and grateful to God that the owner opted to rebuild, renew, reopen this business. Thank you for your trust in your city and city government. To the Jollibee family, mabasa pa kayo ng ulan. Nang dumami pa kayo. And I'm really happy. Totoo lang, it goes to our people in Manila, especially the employees. With all honesty, that's why Chichi and I, your Vice Mayor, really wanted to show in our own little way, to support businesses, small, medium, even large, to go and visit this kind of activities in our city, so that maramdaman man lamang ng mga naghahanap buhay sa lungsod na may kakampi silang syudad ng Maynila. This is what we've been trying to do for the past 4 months, to reinvigorate, make it more attractive for the businesses to come in the city. And to the owner, I would like to inform you that in just for a little over 3 months, we have approved and opened 6,000 plus new businesses in the city. Across industrial, commercial, food like this, and so on and so forth. That generated more than 13,000 jobs. So that's why we're very happy today as your city government, and in our own little way to support this initiative. So to the owner, rest assured, walang manggagambala sa inyong mga tulongges sa pamahalaan. Maghanap buhay kayo, bayaran ninyo ang inyong obligasyon sa pamahalaan. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. Now, I'm calling the attention of our employees. Uy, galingan ninyo ha. Make us proud. We are really trying to do our best as your city government to create a business atmosphere that it's easy to do business in the city, so that we can provide opportunity for our people to work. So that's why, isa lang ang hinihingi ko sa ating mga nagtatrabaho. Galingan ninyo, excel from your field of undertaking, create extra steps, extra mile, to support the business. The more business to survive, to mag-survive, the better for everyone. So, congratulations, Jollibee. Jollibee Tayuman. Sana susunod naman. Iba pang Jollibee sa buong Maynila. Paborito ko may chicken nyo. To the family who owns this, the Guzman Group, I wish that maging successful kayo. Lumago pa ang negosyo ninyo, nang dumami pa ang branches ninyo. and also good health. Okay? So to everyone, congratulations Manila, congratulations to Guzman Group, congratulations Jollibee, and I'm happy for the employees of this establishment. Magandang araw, pagpalain nawa kayo ng buong may kapal. Manila! Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mayor. Now we will proceed with our Chicken Joy toast. And now we will be toasting the opening of Jollibee Tayuman the Jollibee Way. We will be having the Chicken Joy toast with Jollibee. Presenting to you our giant Chicken Joy bucket.
Sige, let's make way po for our giant bucket. Excuse me lang po. Let's make space po for our giant Jollibee bucket. Favorite ni Mayor yan, padaanin natin. Naamoy niyo na ba ang ating juicy? Favorite niya talaga.
Masarap tayo, masarap.
Vice Mayor Chi, how are you enjoying your Chicken Joy? Ubus na. O, di ba? Si Mayor ay, ano yun, nandun sa likod ay tatago. Pero, silipin natin guys, paubos na din. Ito na lang ang natira. Again, we would like to thank our dear Mayor and our Vice Mayor for gracing us with their presence this morning. Maraming salamat po. And it means a lot to the entire team of Jollibee Tayuman. Maraming salamat po, lalong gaganahan ang Tayuman. Dahil sino pa ba ang nagpili sa kanila na galingan kung hindi ang ating Mayor Isko. Maraming salamat po. Thank you everyone for joining us today and being a part of the store rededication of Jollibee Tayuman. Congratulations at mabuhay ang Jollibee Tayuman!
Now, to make this day extra special, dagdagan natin ang excitement ng bawat isa. Gusto niyo bang makitang sumayaw ang Jollibee and Friends?